So we just arrived at Danielle's house and she wants us to come in, look at her wardrobe. She is a very active mom, does a lot of volunteer work, so she's having trouble finding that middle ground of sweatpants and sweater dresses. So let's go in and check it out and see what she has for us. Hey, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Oh, that's so good to see you, Danielle.
Good.
So tell me a little bit what we're gonna do today. Show me your closet. Right. Show me the battle zone. What we have to conquer. What we're gonna look at.
All right. So I'm gonna show you where my closet is. It might not be where you expect.
It's not in your bedroom?
No, it's not in my bedroom.
Oh my goodness!
The two of us share. Oh yeah, and then
is there another door?
The electric's a little swanky here. Something to it to make it so that. Okay, there we go.
Explain to me your system. Show me, how you organize the space that you have.
Okay. So
start from the bottom up. So tell me a little bit about the bottom.
So my dad made me these cool shoe
racks.
Those are
so nice.
So all my booties are on the top.
I love that. Everybody needs a few good pairs of booties.
And then everything. This is all like dresses, dressy pants, skirts.
So this is more of like a professional look.
Yeah.
So tell me what your normal look would be. What would you go for? What would you grab? What makes you comfortable and feel confident when you walk into those?
Yeah. Scenarios? Right now, sweater dresses I like the most.
Yeah.
Like this
good sweater dress.
Yeah, my favorite one probably. I can't find. Oh, this one. I like this one with a scarf and black boots. Just because it's easy and it's not super clingy to my cellulite areas. So. And I usually I like the solid color things, and then doing a scarf with it usually is what I do. Nice. But I got a bunch of that kind of stuff in here.
All right. Lots of great sweaters.
Yeah, a lot of cardigans.
I mean, it's the winter, so that's natural. Okay. So this is like fancy
Yeah.
When you go out, you're professional. So talk to me about every day. How do you feel every day? So you were talking to, a little bit more of a, workout t-shirts and, leggings. So what do you use that for? Do you go to the gym?
I run in the mornings.
Okay.
So that and I play basketball once a week. And that's shorts. That's not even leggings. So this is I would wear something like this to work. Maybe minus the slippers.
Okay.
So I've got slippers there waiting for me. Okay. But then probably to work I would do like jeans and a nice sweater. With some jewelry, and that would like kind of bling it up. I've done this to work, but it's just not comfortable there because I'm at a desk and it's not necessary. So
do you work with clients, or is it a little bit more behind the scenes desk work?
Yeah, desk work.
And do you find that when you dress up a little bit more, you're more productive? Or do you find like comfortable? Because sometimes when we dress down, we tend to do a little bit less, or we're feeling a little bit more relaxed, so we take a little extra time to do things. Or do you feel like when you dress up, you're more efficient?
Yeah.
And in the moments?
Probably when I'm dressed up, I feel more professional, which makes me feel smarter.
Yes, I think that's a great point to make, right? What would you say is like your one style challenge? Like making that transition from, because obviously you're dressed to the nines here. And then you have your workout gear. So that middle section of being comfortable and classy at the same time. Yeah. Maybe we could fill in those gaps.
Okay.
All right.
Sounds good.
Very good. All right. So show me your drawers. Let's see what we have in there as well.
Okay.
Do you mind if I just
go for it.
What's this? Is this like a sweater or a scarf? A shawl?
No. What do you call that? Poncho thing?
Poncho.
Yeah.
That's a great middle grounds.
This is one of my favorites because I can throw on some of my. I usually go with the gold necklace, this one, or this one.
And I love your jewelry display. Look at this.
Isn't this awesome?
Did Ryan make this for you? Or did your dad?
No, Amazon. My mom got it. My mom got me for Christmas.
Okay, I remember you mentioned your parents.
Yeah, my birthday, and then I just got the exact same one for my mom for Christmas.
Very nice.
You don't have to leave it open because it looks cool closed too. Yeah. But it becomes like a decorative piece.
Like really, get a picture of this because every woman in America wants to know how to organize jewelry.
Yeah.
And I think this is, it's right next to your bed. You can wake up and it's just instant joy.
Well,
so tell me about this purple sweater.
I just got that.
Yeah.
For Christmas.
Okay.
So I haven't worn it yet.
Very nice. Do you love it?
I do.
I would do a jegging. So something big like this. So like a cable knit sweater like this can easily make us look a little older than we are. So you're definitely going to want to go with a tighter pant. No loose pants. And having such a high collar like this and this big cable knit is actually going to widen your shoulders. So you're going to want to have something that draws the eye into the core, right? So this is automatically doing it naturally with the stitching, but you're going to want to add a little bit more. And I would say you're definitely want to have really cute booties, or you're going to want to have some great, high boots, something that draws the attention up and down and not side to side. Something you could do too, now if you're wearing with leggings, you can wear it long and over top because your legs would be really thin, underneath the sweater. If you're wearing with jeans, I would suggest tucking a little bit. I know this doesn't look like something you can tuck, but you actually can. In the stream. This is cute.
Yeah, that's one of my favorite sweaters right now.
Ta-da! Oh, I love you in pink. This rosy pink blush color.
I think I just got that for myself in the fall too.
This is really, really nice.
And this I've worn with black leggings a few times.
Perfect.
Because this one is longer.
Yeah, that definitely is.
It's a little more fitted than that purple seems to be.
Oh, it's more? It's more fitted?
not crazy fitted, but I feel like this, when I had it on, is a little bit bulkier. This just because it's thinner. It doesn't feel as...
Well, and then this, being thinner, is easier to tuck. And see how it's cut here on the sides? You can easily tuck that into your jean, roll it, and then have a nice white belt and a long necklace there to make it look a little longer and thinner if you wanted to wear it with some dress pants.
Right on the front.
Ta-da! That's very cute. Yeah. Oh, that's so you. The tag is still on. So
I know. Well, I was going to wear it to church yesterday, and funny enough, I couldn't figure out what to wear underneath it, so I just put
it perfect. That's great. All right. Now, grab your camouflage jacket as well, because that's a really great this little vest.
I'm not wearing that with that, but okay.
No. We're not combining this. We're just not going to make another trip.
Okay.
Ruining everything on you here.
I know.
Sorry.
No worries.
All right. Do you have a white short sleeve or long sleeve shirt? Pull that out for me. Back to basics is always key because you can easily, and I say, I always tell people, I'm like, basics are easy. You can go to Target for $8 and stack up on sleeveless or, short sleeve or long sleeve. Now, pants, other than the ones you're wearing. Black pants. All right, I'm going to fold them in half for the sake. So we have basics. White, black. Look, see, I have the opposite. I'm wearing white pants, a black top, and I could literally wear any cardigan over top, and it would look like an outfit. A lot of times with these long sweaters, you want to create a higher waistline because this is so long.
Right.
So usually, if you leave it untucked, and a lot of people hate the fact of tucking things, don't be afraid of it. You're simply defining your waistline in this small little area. So many options. Let's go with gold, because I love red, black, and gold. You can fill in the white, in this gap, because this is an area that needs to be filled. Wear a long necklace with that. I think you're set to go. So this is exactly the same outfits, just with a different, just with a vest instead.
The same necklace?
Well, with that, you could do gold. So if you want to dress it up a little bit, it's camouflage. It might not be super, dressy.
Yeah, I was just going to say, I probably wouldn't go dressy with a camo
I probably wouldn't go super dressy. I would probably do something a little bit more rustic. Because you can also use certain pieces to dress down.
Right.
So you can have something a little bit shorter, a little bit chunkier up top. And with this, I'd probably wear it a long sleeve white.
Yeah, I'd probably go, I'd go long sleeve.
Definitely.
Yeah.
I love this. I'm just going to get up on you with this. Because the pinks in that, gorgeous. And, let's see here.
Do you want me to get some black beauties?
Yeah, why not? Cute.
Okay, let me get some black beauties.
Cute.
Yeah.
Do you like it? What do you think of it? Do you kind of different?
Different.
I'll get used to it.
These I still have to get used to.
Those are really cute.
Do you have any
belts?
I do, but they're not
like we need to go shopping for belts.
Yeah.
Those are jeans. I'm going out on a bike.
Yeah.
Riding belts.
Yeah, that's all I have. That. These are random.
Look at these. That looks like it went to an Easter dress.
Yeah, that might even be Riley's too. And then I've got a hot pink one from heaven only knows where. Yeah, that's all I've got. But I've got this too. But they're so random. I don't know.
This wouldn't be a bad start. But I think maybe we need to get. I'm gonna send you some links.
Okay.
Because I got the stretchy belts.
Yeah,
they're great.
I love those.
The stretchy belts come in a pack of 4. You can wear them with your pants, or you can wear them with a dress up top. So to have something that's a little bit more, and they're affordable. All right, so we just wrapped up Danielle's closet consult, sneak peek into her life and her closet. Thank you so much. Appreciate that.
Definitely.
So why don't you tell us, what are 3 takeaways that you would have leaving this experience after going through your closet and kind of into your personal, into your intimate life, and, what would be 3 takeaways that you want to implement going forward?
Right. Stepping out of my comfort zone is definitely going to be 1, and getting out of my leggings, and trying some new jeans, maybe even getting white jeans like Justina suggested. But just, I think, being a little more bold with putting some things together. Definitely the jewelry and the importance of like putting something together, whether it's the jewelry or the earrings, the booties.
Great belt.
Yes.
Yeah, that accessory.
You have to get a belt, definitely. Yes. Yeah, but the accessories and how important those are for really kind of taking an outfit from like mediocre to maybe more fashionable. And it's easy just to put a little bit of jewelry on because I obviously have a whole wall full of it. So I need to just start wearing it and doing it too. So, and the belt. I definitely need to get a good belt.
All right. Yep. That's awesome.
All
Thank
right.
you. I'm excited to see, what comes from this. I can't wait to see you in social events, and I'll see you tomorrow night.
Yes.
New Year's Eve party, right? 2020, here we come. And lots of good things happening this year. So Thank you so much for joining us. Thank you, Danielle. Appreciate it.
Anytime.
And we'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.